Winter Tire Assemblies improve traction, handling, and safety in snow, ice, and freezing road conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best car hubcaps that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at EcustomRim Winter Tire Assemblies. This tire and wheel assembly set is a convenient, high-quality upgrade for golf carts and utility vehicles. The ready-to-install design is a major plus. Everything arrives mounted and properly inflated, saving time and eliminating extra setup. The glossy white steel wheels feel sturdy and well-built, offering reliable performance for everyday use. The 18x 8.5-8 all-terrain tires deliver excellent versatility, handling turf, pavement, and light off-road conditions with ease. Being DOT approved adds extra confidence for safe operation on different surfaces. The tread pattern provides solid traction while maintaining a smooth and stable ride, making it comfortable for longer use. Compatibility is another strong point, fitting a wide range of popular kart brands without requiring a lift kit. Whether for replacement or upgrade, this set offers durability, ease of use, and dependable performance, making it a smart and practical choice for golf cart owners. Now our second product is Wanda Winter Tire Assemblies. These tires deliver a great balance of durability, performance, and versatility. With a 6-ply rated nylon construction, they feel tough and reliable, offering strong resistance against punctures and abrasions, ideal for rough terrain. The deep, widely spaced tread design does an excellent job shedding mud, making them suitable for a variety of off-road conditions. Despite their rugged build, the tires are lightweight and provide smooth rolling, which helps improve acceleration and braking. This makes them not only durable but also responsive during use. The 0.6-inch tread depth adds extra grip, enhancing stability across uneven surfaces. With a solid load capacity of 340 pounds at 7 psi, these tires are built to handle demanding tasks without compromising performance. Overall, they are a high-quality, all-terrain option that performs well in different environments, making them a dependable choice for both work and recreational use. Our third product is Tusk Winter Tire Assemblies. This complete set of 4 UTV/ATV tires is a strong choice for riders who need durability and reliable performance. The combination of 2 front and 2 rear tires is well balanced, making it ideal for medium-hard terrain. The 8-ply rated radial construction stands out, offering impressive strength and long-lasting use even in demanding off-road conditions. The 3/4-inch deep, aggressive tread pattern provides excellent traction on dirt, gravel, and rocky trails, giving you confidence across mixed terrains. What really adds value is the reinforced sidewall with tread armor, which helps protect against punctures and abrasions, perfect for rough rides. These tires also handle heavy loads with ease, making them suitable for both utility tasks and recreational adventures. Overall, they deliver a great mix of toughness, grip, and reliability, making them a dependable upgrade for any serious off-road enthusiast. Now number 4, Tripower Winter Tire Assemblies. This 18x 9.50-8 tire offers a strong balance of durability, traction, and all-season performance. Built with high-quality hard compound rubber and a 4-ply rated construction, it feels solid and reliable, providing good resistance against punctures, cuts, and impacts, ideal for off-road use. The aggressive knobby tread pattern performs well on mud, sand, rocks, and uneven surfaces, giving excellent grip and control. At the same time, the moderately sloped tread design helps maintain stability and a smoother ride, even on rough terrain. The tubeless design and balanced specifications add to its practicality and ease of maintenance. With a max load of 255 pounds at 14 psi, it is well suited for ATVs, UTVs, go-karts, golf carts, and lawn mowers. Its all-season compound also improves traction in dry, wet, and light winter conditions while reducing hydroplaning risk. Overall, it's a versatile, dependable tire built for both recreational and utility use across varied terrains. And our last choice is MaxAuto Winter Tire Assemblies. This set of 145/70-6 ATV tires is a compact but reliable option for mini bikes, go-karts, and small ATVs. The 4-ply tubeless construction offers decent strength for its size, while the lightweight design helps improve handling and efficiency. With a max load of 165 pounds at 5 psi, it's well suited for light-duty recreational use. The flame-like directional tread pattern provides good grip across mud, sand, and hard-packed surfaces. The widely spaced tread bars help with traction and self-cleaning, while added traction spikes improve stability and control in different terrains. The use of natural rubber enhances flexibility and overall durability. These tires are compatible with a wide range of small vehicles, including mini bikes, golf carts, and lawn mowers, making them a versatile replacement choice. Overall, they deliver solid performance, good traction, and dependable quality for everyday off-road fun and light utility use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.